If you want to block days on Calendly, whether it's for a vacation, a holiday, or just a day you need completely free, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. And if you want more simple tech tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe because I post easy guides that save you time. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the availability section. This is where Calendly lets you control when people can book meetings with you, so it's the main place you need to go if you want to block off specific days. Now find the day that you want to edit. Next to that day, click the plus hours button. This opens up the availability settings for that specific day, so you can either set custom hours or completely remove availability. If you want to block the entire day, click the X icon. This marks the day as unavailable, which means nobody will be able to schedule a meeting with you on that date. That's the easiest way to fully block a day in Calendly. If you do not want to block the entire day, you can also set specific available hours instead. For example, you might want to allow bookings only in the morning or only during a few hours in the afternoon. In that case, just choose the hours you want and leave the rest of the day unavailable. This is really useful if you want more control over your schedule without turning off your whole calendar. You can block out travel days, personal time, meetings, or any day where your availability is different from your normal schedule. Once you've made your changes, click Save. This is an important step because if you don't save, your updated availability won't take effect. After saving, Calendly will use your new settings and stop people from booking during the blocked time. To double check everything, go back and review the day you edited. If it shows as unavailable, then you've successfully blocked it. If you set custom hours, make sure the times are exactly what you want before moving on. And that's it. Now you know how to block days on Calendly quickly and easily. This is one of the simplest ways to stay in control of your schedule and avoid unwanted bookings. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.